Ningkan plikep sose karbianglong arat lapen di mahasau aradakar inai hempre kangki mate article 244A kedamtang ningkan plikep sose prangpen setami ratatum nang cesong bom bang bom lo. Bonta bang so kacesong piniarni asap ota kichunang the kavedera jo nonang keleji Vosik niphai khre kethom arni karbianglong arlo hempre ki hanga menpen घंटाइन को रपली कांकीर पेडो ponji pura Forum for Hills Autonomous State Movement atumpen फिरंकिया में अलोंगपेन राडाफान पचिनी पोन
पेपर मीडिया तो कंसमेट यूको लपेन जनरल पब्लिक कंसमेट itu lapang paklang ko ko lapen nang itu ta lapang paklang ko ko sing jelo dilita kore ya ko official bound notice Forum for Hills Autonomous State Movement itu Karbianglong to the general public, local authorities, media houses and all concerned citizens. Subject 24 hours peaceful bond in Karbianglong and di Mahasau. The Forum for Hills Autonomous State Movement hereby declares a 24 hours peaceful bond across Karbianglong East and West District on 13 May 2025 from 5 a.m. to 5 a.m. of 14 May.
Jasemet bangso phirangkia mai along alangli tuma hin pen ki pachini pona tenki ajak ding klui pen ka chesong karbia rat akar inai hempre kang thima farman nang chesong bom bang bom lo lapen laso ka chesong along komat nia tumke apran ke dam nang avia phi ki bunanga tum satami dolo bonta lapo an epran chipi det ka chesong asai deng der phit an satami state government atum bangso ka chesong puthak rd ki pipon asapta ka videra joksi non anabanke karbianglong arlo kanghap asai an satami deng nang koklo pusi alangli tuma hin pen pachini pon lapen jongsi la घंटाइन को rapli kang hapon kache song pona longta state government atum thangnat asai ke deng pona bi pulote ke bangjilang arni penke la anso se setami kache song asai deng pona kokpo pusi pachini pon
Karbianglong East West apan itu appeal kacuningli labang guru kore pon appeal for peaceful democratic protest to assert constitutional demand under article 244A. To all respected leaders of political parties, social organizations, student bodies, women's groups and concerned citizens of Karbianglong. Dear brothers and sisters, we the undersigned on behalf of the Forum for Hills Autonomous State Movement, comprising FFHASM, ASDC, KNCA, KSA, WKSA, ASDC Youth Front, FFHLC, Women's Central Executive Committee, UKYA, PYDC and ex-UPDS Welfare Society, extend this heartfelt and urgent appeal to all organizations and people of Karbianglong regardless of political affiliation, tribe or ideology. Our long-standing demand for the implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution of India is not a demand for privilege, but a plea for justice. A justice promised by the Parliament in 1969.
News report KTV News.